up? What up? I'm back. Dun, dun, dun. Yo, what up, Donald? Hey, David. Getting getting this set up all. Oh, you can probably hear me probably echoing. First to smash the like. I like it. I like it. Yo, what up? Hey, brother, what are you doing? FTT accounts are fire. What am I doing? I don't know. I mean, I have accounts there. I can't just. I guess I could just trade the accounts and let them get destroyed. I don't. I don't really know. I'm not. I've since taken the link and whatnot off the streamer at the bottom of the video, and I took it off the description of the video. I replaced, if anyone's looking for straight to funded, I replaced it with Tradeify, and that's it. I was going to get an account there and see what the deal is. Yo, what up? What up, John? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, those accounts might be smoked. I think they're not going out of business. I think they just need a rebuilding period. Yeah, my funded futures is my favorite too. Actually, I just passed one. What happened? They took it away? Maybe I got to refresh. Ugh. Let me see this shit. I got to freaking log in. I should have another funded account. I got one over today. No. So weird. Yo, what up, Oliver? So weird. I got one over today. Maybe I have to enable it. Let me see. I thought it automatically. I got the email and everything. What are my top 3 prop firms? Probably Take Profit Trader, Apex, and My Funded Futures. That's those are probably my 3 best that I like. I'm always don't keep all your eggs in one basket though. Definitely do not keep all, like I don't just trade with one firm. Yeah, I don't know what I see the account. Topstep with the worst pass rate ever. Yeah, I'm good. I'll pass on Topstep. Dude, I don't know where the fuck my funded account went. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, you can only have one volumetric screen up. That's interesting. That's so interesting. Yeah, I stick with those 3. I am going to see what the height TradingView base plan gives you live feed. No, here's my next funded account from them. It was I find it so much easier to pass. TradingView, I pay for TradingView. So TradingView gives me data. I don't know if you do not have TradingView, you could sync. You hit this thing down here and you connect one of your brokers. You can connect, I think you can connect Tradeovate and it will work. I would not trade through it, but I guess you can get, what do you call it? You can get data through it. That's probably the way that I would try to do it and see if it works. I'm trying to clean out all these fucking accounts, either get them over or out the door. That's kind of what I'm trying to do today. Too many accounts. I am here. What up, Knob? Yeah. But yeah, that's what I would try, man. I mean, I'll be honest with you. If you're out here and you're paying, hundreds of dollars for prop firm accounts, you could spend $24 on a TradingView account. Just saying, like, you're almost like a guy trying to build a house, but using, outdated tools. Oh, Oliver, you can. Okay. Yeah, so Oliver's doing it. He synced it. What broker are you with, Oliver? What broker are you using it with? Oh, with Apex? Okay. Yep. Tradeovate with Apex. Yeah. I mean, Thinkorswim is probably, yeah, but Thinkorswim you need a brokerage account with. Keith, I haven't ran into anybody in this prop firm world using TOS that doesn't trade options or stocks. I didn't know TOS is free, to be honest with you. Yo, what up, Slade? What up? What up? Yo, just give me the thumbs up or thumbs down if you got paid. Just seeing if you get paid. Because at least if you get paid, I feel like I'm going to get paid. Yeah, because they're not really an options broker, but you can, so Design Knob, you can contact the firm to get negotiable commissions. I don't know if you guys know that, but if you're trading real money, either with stocks, options, or futures, after you make a bunch of trades for like a month or so, you contact them and you can negotiate better commissions. I just don't know if everybody knows that, but you can get much better commission rates depending on your volume and what you have in your account. Damn, they just flipped that. NinjaTrader is pretty good. You guys should all have NinjaTrader for free if you have a PC. NinjaTrader is legit. Man, that was the buy right there. So they have designated future brokerages. I would say give one of those a shot, maybe. What's weird is for some reason my futures thing wasn't working today. I don't know what the deal is. Oh man, do you short it up here? Do you short it up here? I feel like I'm just asking to get smoked by shorting it up here. Anybody writing? I was thinking about writing Tesla puts. I'm just curious what the premiums look like on that. They're not as high as I thought they would be. Wow. Tesla's up 20%. Yeah, no rules, man. But people don't want to pay up. So you go to a prop firm. I think there's a place for both. I think there's a place for both. Because there's definitely trading strategies that you would do at a prop firm that you probably wouldn't do with your own money. Oh man, I would love to take this short. I just right to 67 would probably be my exit. Yeah, I mean that's the same way people trade without using trading software or charting software, or you know they don't have anything even on the charts. It's 450 funded accounts are crazy, man. Yeah, I'm with you. At 450, you might as well just go start dumping your own money into an account. Yo, what up, Andy? Yeah, I mean, I would go into a live account if you were dumping 400, 400, 400. I mean, you're probably $5,000 in anyways. Oh, let's see. Boom. That shit is so whack. What up, Peter? Roborang? What is that? What's Roborang? It's not like the 50K prop firm accounts are 50K. That's what people do not realize, design now. I've said that over and over is they think they're getting a 50K account and they're really getting a $2,500 account. People do not realize it. Like I could tell you, you're getting $1 million account, but if you lose to 2,500 bucks, you're out. I mean, you don't have $1 million bucks. You got whatever the drawdown is. Robo range, dude. I don't even know what that. I have no idea what robo range is. No idea. Sounds like an adult toy. Babe, grab the robo range. The disgusting chart looks like a robot made it rain. I I think we're just gonna. It's just rangy. Basically, here's the top, and you're just kind of following the 200. This is not. It's not really great trading conditions. Earlier was, dude. Earlier was wild, man. Yo, what up, Tyler? What up? What up? Am I still trading my fast track accounts? I mean, I have them. Did I trade them today? No. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I mean, the word on the street is they're delayed on payouts. I haven't really looked into everything, to be honest. But what I've heard is they're delayed on payouts. I guess Methodical Man said he's waiting for like 30 G's. I think the retroactive thing is pretty shitty. And I'll tell you why it's so shitty. It's actually a personal issue to me. I was consulting for a company back in 2011, and we agreed on X amount per month. And after a couple months, at the end of the month, they said, "Hey, we got to change your pay." So we worked on something, and when we agreed, he retroactively paid me that lesser pay for the month that just passed. And at that point, I knew I was done with him. And that is the same thing that kind of happened with Fast Track, is they retroactively kind of fuck people out of money that thought they were getting money and that were told they were approved. And that is an issue. So I have the accounts. I haven't traded them live here because I just kind of been put them to the side. I don't. What do you do with them? It's a one-time fee. So like I have them. I might just slam them and see if I get paid. And if I don't, I don't. Like, or I hold them and see if things could change there. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm probably not getting any more accounts. You know, probably not getting any more accounts. Put it like that. I think going forward, I'm going to make a video about it. I'm going to see what the deal is. I'm going to use these guys, Tradeify, Tradeify. I don't know. They're more expensive than Fast Track, and I'll be honest with you, I don't necessarily the money does not really make sense for me, because if I pass 1 in 3 accounts, I don't need to pay $300 for a funded account, because I could just pass 3 Apex accounts, pay the fee, and I have a funded account for $200. So why would I turn around and get a funded account for 3 something? So I don't really know. I might get one just to see what the deal is. Pop and drops, Cove shifty about your Fast Track account. Please explain how I'm shifty about it. I said I have fucking Fast Track accounts. I don't know. What do you want me to say? I literally have them on Quant Tower. Can anyone refund? I think it's just people that got I think it's people that were pending payouts can ask for a refund. I doubt they're going to refund any of us that aren't at payout. Just throwing it out there. Take Profit seems like a hell of a deal, bro. Take Profit's the best firm, I think. Like if you take everything about cost to get a funded account, oh, how they're messing with my money, yeah, man, 1,000%. Because I honestly thought the fast track, what they were offering was amazing, and obviously it was too amazing that too many people got paid. You know, or they want to make just more money. Yeah, I Take Profit Traders is it's to me seems the best right now. They have no consistency rules. You can get paid on day one, which many firms you can't get paid on day one. And if you know, I only use one, but like, you know, if you pass on your first one, there's no activation fee. So it's $105 and you can get a funded account. That's the only one that's cheaper than that is My Funded Futures, and they're $76. But then you have like, you know, the 40% consistency rule and a couple other issues. But I'm liking Take Profit Trader as more and more as time goes on. Scott, the COO, says stop crying over a little 30K. Yeah, well, he should probably, you know, there's a lot of people, man, that I think he scrapped $10 million worth of people's freaking money, man. And 30K, bro, I would cry over 30K. I would be bitching for my 30 G's. Bro, 30 G's is a lot of money to freaking anybody. If you made, put it like this, if you made $300,000 a year, that's 10% of your year. You know, if you made 600K a year, that's 5% of your yearly take that is just gone. So he could act like it's not a lot of money. If it's not a lot of money, then just pay everybody. One clean sweep, just pay everybody. I think there's a bunch of stuff going on in the back end. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. A lot of people's take home after taxes. I was just saying that even people that make a lot of money, it's still a lot of money. It's a freaking lot of 30 G's is a lot of money. You can go buy a brand new car for 30 G's. It's absurd. I think, yo, what up, Ace? Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, man. I think that the concept is great. And now I think Fast Track was up here. And now the gates are open for a firm to step in and offer straight to funded and offer it at a price point that's not $450. And I think they can take over a large market share. I think there's a big opportunity for people to yeah, they've lost credibility. It's like for you to build back the credibility, it would probably take him like 6 months to a year to build that back. Where like I got to hear, you know, people that I know in the trading world that are all getting payouts and that they're paying out every, you know, 2 weeks. And then after, just like I tell you, I don't use prop firms that are brand new. Same thing. You're giving them your hard-earned money that when I pass, I want to make sure that you're giving me my money back. And who the hell is defending them? Oh, they're doing it for us to make us better traders. People that got paid, probably. People that are getting paid. I mean, I'm not saying this happens, but how do you know that they're not paying people to go in rooms to say that they got paid and pump it? You know, you don't know. It's the fucking internet, man. Like, that's what's crazy about the internet is it's hard to check what actually happens, you know? Yeah, for somebody who said, there you go, there's the 40% off no activation fee. I think that's the best deal that's out there now. Even though my funded futures is slightly less, there's no fucking rules with Take Profit Trader. Yo, Darrell's nutsack. What up? What up? Dude, you can never do retroactive. When I heard that, I was like, that's wild. What up, Sergio? Retroactive was freaking ballsy, man. Retroactive was ballsy. Yo, people dude, I was never worried about Apex, man. I was never worried about it. Apex is too big. No, not on the funded accounts. My funded futures caps you, I think, at $5,000 or $6,000, and then you go live. Yeah, that's how my funded futures works. Oh, this shit just broke. Fuck that. Oh, am I gonna? Is it gonna bounce? I'm out. I don't like that it broke. Yes, Sergio, there's no consistency rule there. You can make $10,000 on day one, and you can pull money out on day one. They pay freaking quick, man, like same day payouts. Take Profit Trader doesn't play around. My funded futures paid me in a half hour. If you were wondering, I requested money a couple times from them. I got paid in a half hour. I was like, all of a sudden the money hit, and I was like, what money is this? Because it can't be my funded futures. And I looked, and I was like, holy shit, they paid me quick. Surprised my funded futures CEO didn't realize rules were favorable to traders, like 40 accounts, you could flip many days. Wasn't, dude. I also think that, so when you know, he probably made a lot of money. And it's probably his monthly nut is probably up there. He's probably spending a lot of money. You know, oh man, that just bounced right off freaking. Why do I? Oh, you know why I don't have VWAP on the chart? Because I'm on the wrong fucking chart. So stupid. Bounced right off VWAP. Wasn't even. Only accepting Bitcoin if there was signal something. Oh, he's talking about fast track, Joe. Retroactive is rough. I mean, listen, like I said, a lot of people probably in my boat, they have accounts already. And it's like, well, what am I going to do? I'm just going to finish trading my accounts. If I get them to pay out, I get them to pay out. If I don't get them to pay out, I'm probably not adding accounts until things settle down and people are getting paid and whatnot. You know, I'm giving these guys a try right here. I might get an account there tonight and see what the deal is. I do like so I've been saying this before. So I actually saw it on Axe funding, maybe Axe funding, something like that they were doing a straight to funded option. And I said that that's going to be the future. And then Fast Track came out, and now it seems like these other guys. I had never bought one. I had plenty of Tron too. That's fucking hysterical. Trying to, man. I'm trying to smash them. Dude, I like straight to funded. I'm always gonna have a straight to funded account. That's why I have fast track accounts. So, and I've had the affiliate code for since the very beginning. I've had it for over a month. I could have easily thrown it out in here plenty of times when people said they were getting accounts, and I did not. Just throwing it out there. Because typically I don't throw anything out unless I'm going to use it, you know, and tonight I'm probably going to get an account there and test it out. So that's why I put it out there. But I've had an affiliate account with them for about a month or so. Let me scroll up to see visible ID. It seems like people are just laying down and taking retroactive is probably, that's where I think they went wrong, was doing the retroactive. Shouldn't have done it. Shouldn't have done it. What's the difference from a PA account and a live account? PA accounts are still in the sim world where my orders are not on the exchange. And sometimes there's different rules. So I'll just bring up, I'll bring something up and I'll show you the difference. So for argument's sake, in Take Profit Trader, once you withdraw $5,000 or $6,000, you go from Pro to Pro Plus. Pro is on a live account, so your orders are actually on the exchange. Your profit split goes up, and then certain requirements change. There's no daily loss rule. There's obviously no consistency. There's just small changes in place. A lot of the times with live accounts, you can get daily payouts. With other firms, you can always get daily payouts here. So, oh yeah, your Pro Plus, yeah. Oh, would you say it's 20,000 to go Pro Plus? Oh, geez. So who has a straight to funded account? Josh, anybody that's reputable? Who would you use for a straight to funded account? I'm not using like Axe, or I even looked at instantfunding.io. Because you can't, I believe once you go live, you can't have 20 accounts anymore, Ghost. I think they keep you to one account. Yeah, that you have no choice. I think they ask you at 5,000 or 6,000 if you want to go Pro Plus, to go Pro Plus, and if you don't, maybe at 20,000 they force you to. But I'm pretty sure you can go after a smaller amount than 20,000. They will soon enough, Ace. Everybody's going to offer it eventually. I don't know. Well, it might be profitable. So hear me out. If you took the average customer and they pass 1 out of every 4 accounts, you know, so to get a funded account, it's $85 plus 120, call it $200. So on the average, it costs a user $200 to get a funded account. Well, if they start charging $300 for that same funded account, but you don't have to do evals, they're making $100 extra on you. So they could make a lot more money. you know, you got to decide though, like you got to weed out the data for the most profitable traders and how many accounts they need to get a funded account, because those guys are the ones that you really got to watch out for. Oh, kid poker. Oh, that sucks, man. I'm guessing you went short like right here, somewhere around here. But all these guys, man, all these firms, they have data on the back end that are backing them up. So when they make decisions based on price points and deals and things like that, they're just doing it based on the data and what's going to make them money. You know, it's not random. They're not randomly doing $85 lifetime. You know, they probably tested it out and saw the data and saw, all right, well, we get more people doing this. Or, you know, they used to be, remember Apex was like 7 days to pass, and they ran the data on 1 day to pass and realized when they went to 1 day to pass, they probably make more money. So now they do 1 day to pass. Yo, what up, Speed Racer? You're short at 270. Oh, dude, you took the bottom. Honestly, once it got back over 95 or 300, you probably should have cut that. Once it gets back in this orb, I would have fucking cut that. Prop firms base their businesses on statistics. They know 85% of the traders, they need traders fail. They need extra steps at the evals. Tip this. Yeah. Every rule, just like the casino, when you go to the casino and they offer you insurance on blackjack, do you think they're giving you insurance to help you? The odds are if you take insurance, you lose more than you win. So basically, this is like the casino. Every time they offer you something, it's usually not in your favor. And you just got to see the angle and realize what's going on. Probably going to rally 200 points. Yeah, because the prop firms, they, you know, they are easily, you can easily blow accounts. Man, I'll tell you what, today's been one fucking chop day. But if you look, I mean, I feel like I favor the upside. I feel like it's chopping here and eventually it's going to pop through. Kind of how it feels. Yo, what up, Phoenix? Pretty much entirely the inside overnight range, yeah. Damn, you had it for 5 weeks? Did you at least get paid from it, Keith? Do I ever trade the ES, Oliver? Every once in a while, I'll trade the ES, but the ES moves slower than the NQ, so I don't typically trade the ES. Yeah, Eminem. I've been talking about this. I've been talking about more regulation for a while with some of the people that um other streamers. Yeah, there's more talk about really what do you see happening in the next couple of years? Any possible government shutdown of everyone with shady companies? See, I think the issue is that a lot of people are like, "Oh, this company is shady." Like, everybody was calling Apex shady. Like, you have no idea if Apex was contacted by the government and said, "Hey, you know, we're watching you and we have questions," and then Apex's law firm said, "Hey, you got to make these people do a video verification, or you got to, here's a list of people and you got to set them on a live account because you need X amount of people on a live account." Like, you don't know what's going on in the background, and they're not going to come out and say, "Hey, the government contacted us and we need to make changes." Like, that's not going to happen. I do think so. Somebody was talking about it today, and I do think there's going to be a lot more regulation going forward. And I think more people are going to be pushed live much sooner. And that's what I think, like Apex giving you 20 paid accounts is probably going to be gone if they're pushing people to go live, because I think you only have one live account. So I think it might do something like Tops. Not, I don't know what their deal is, but like Take Profit Trader, like 5K, and you can go live. And then once you hit $20,000, like they force you live, and that's it. Like, I think there is going to be a lot of oversight, because technically, I guess technically this is gambling, because you're in a sim environment. Like, you're not placing trades in the market. For some reason, can't take a loss, which means I can never be pro. Yeah, man, you got to be able to take the L. I mean, for your sake, I would love to see us trade back down. I think the lowest you're probably going to get is like 300 today, if it goes that low. Phoenix, nice, man. You're almost at 20,000. Damn, you're up a lot today, man. That's a lot. I mean, I'm sure you're trading like 20 contracts at a clip. Let's take some trades. I'm trying to take profitable trades, man. Dude, I posted in the Discord this morning I called it actually. I called it this morning that we were going to sweep. Thinking we sweep here and back up. Sure enough, this is the lows. We swept and back up. Yeah, I was posting in the morning. Could have made some bank. I try to post in there try to post in there trades I'm taking at the moment. There's the link if you don't have it. But yeah, it was I'm trying to post in there the whole time that I'm not here. Yes, so I even talked about it yesterday after Tesla earnings. I figured we were going to be up today. Obviously we haven't reached the pre-market highs yet, but dude, it's free, dude. Everything I do is free. I don't charge you for anything, man. Just everything's free. I don't get why everybody thinks it's money to do. It's just free. Go. Yeah. If I'm not on here, that's the best way to get a hold of me if you have questions. Let's open up Prop Kings. Dude, I wonder if the big casino companies want to get into trading simulation business. Yo, I'll be honest with you, they should, man. There's a lot of money in prop firm world. A lot of money. There's a lot of money being thrown around, a lot of money being made by traders. Like, there's a lot of money being thrown around, but nowhere near as much as gambling. What? I did not read about that, Keith. I don't know what's worse, that or the guy that fell into the molted iron vat in one of these large publicly traded companies. It kind of looks like it's flagging. Yo, Prop Kings. Yo, I'm surprised you didn't do one of these though. Surprised you didn't go that route. Prop Kings with a Z. You got to go with a Z because then it's like a true degen prop firm. Just letting everybody know what it's about. Fat props, dude. I'm down with the Z. Bro, the Z makes it street. Man, we're just chopping. Kind of just double topped. I wonder if we break below 55. Diddy is the CEO. Got to put baby oil on when you get an account. Diddy's the CEO. Yo, each one you have like the names of the accounts, like the 25K is like Diddy's boat. And then like the big one, the 300K account is like Diddy's after party. If you had a Diddy prop firm, yo, I just picked up three baby oil accounts. All I know is everybody's jumping on the holy shit. Oh, I got a bad fill. Fuck. I got a bad fill. I meant to get filled right at the VWAP. The VWAP. Yo, what up, Joseph? Tough day for me. This price action is not my favorite. I forced. Damn, you blew one PA and added to two others. All right. It happens. It happens, man. Sometimes you, as long as you add, I guess, you know, I had a rough day today. You think Apex will deny me if I lost 760 in one trade on 50K? I don't know, man. I think people worry too much about the rules. Just focus on making money, submit the payment, and if you get it, you get it. And if you don't, just trade for 10 days and then you'll get it. Yo, what up, Sean? Yo, you should have been around this morning, man. I know you like the morning stream, but Actually, because of you, I posted in the Discord some freaking plays, and I caught some good action. Prop Kings is already a sports booking company. Well, what else can we come up with? Can't do. Oh, you can do faster track prop firm. Oh, you could do my butthole tightened up yesterday after being 7 ticks away. Oh, dude, yeah. I think you got to get to 54,000 though. But you could take money out once you hit 52,600. Yeah, well, because of you, I started posting plays in the Discord early on. So if you're around, I kind of did it just if people are around in the morning, people that like the morning stream, at least you can get some type of insight. I've been crushing it in the morning and giving it back in the afternoon. That's pretty much how my days have been going. I'm going to see if we hold right here. Oh, then Micah, slam it. Slam it, my dude. Get paid. That was a quick little flip. Yeah, Sean Farmer. I mean, I wasn't looking for anything big. The reason is we're right under the 200, and I don't know if we're going to follow the 9 down. So I basically just took it off here. I do like the push up here. I'm just afraid of rejecting right here and then kind of pushing down. So that's kind of why I just took that quick trade. I took it in 2 accounts. We need to create a trader mastermind to help call out trades and help others. Yeah, I'm trying to be more proactive in the Discord. And if people join, they join, but I'm going to post info in the morning session, at least up until lunchtime there. And then the rest of the day, obviously I'm on the stream. Yeah, a bunch of small gains equal big money. I agree. I just think we're stuck in this range. Like if you go to, I mean, this is pretty freaking tight. This looks like it's leaning to the upside. Switching to static account daily drawdown fucks with my mind. Keith, I think you're going to be good. What up, Marie? What up? What up? Static. I've never traded the static. Well, I'm guessing you're talking about the Apex one. I never traded that one. Damn, maybe I should have held it that long. I would have gotten a lot more. Yeah, I would have gotten a lot more. I mean, literally, I was in at the freaking bottom. You could see the green line right there. I got in at 46. Cool. Really held that one. But you got in at 360. I mean, if you can flip 87, you'll probably freaking rip. Who's Scotch in this room? Who's Scotch on Discord? Oh, that's hysterical. I never know because everyone's got different names. I can't keep up the names. It takes me a while. That's funny though. Damn, they're just cruising with this thing. Oh, this is why I sometimes want to uh trade. What do you call it? This is why sometimes I want to trade micros where I can take half off and just ride half because this is a massive, massive move. Yeah. I'm just seeing if we reject right here. Right here would be the spot. No. Yeah, that's how I feel about some of this stuff is if I don't do it, I'll hate myself for not doing it. So I do it and then I lose and then I say, why did I do it? You know, I'm in that boat where I had to take the short, but if I didn't, yeah, this thing's fucking exploding up. Here we go. Here we go. All right. What do we think? Back to three. And look at this. Oh, I'm going to buy 380. Check out the Discord, posted gains. Usually Keith has some good gains. Welcome to Gainesville. Dude, I got my shoulder. Oh, did they not just film me? See what you got. Damn, Keith. Yo, it's crazy your winning percentage, man. I know I said this before, but like your winning percentage is super high. Like you got a super, super high winning percentage. I wish it was that high. Well, I mean, it says it. What time is? Oh, we've been doing it at close. That usually works best. I'm starting a reaction channel. A reaction to what? Reaction to trading, and you just see your face every time there's a good or bad trade. That music. I don't know what you would use. I mean, you can use Loom, Loom. Reaction to prop firms changing rules. Dude, that's hysterical. That would be freaking hysterical. Yo, people that were gonna get payouts, it's just like, no. Jeez. Damn, they just fucking dropped this. Yo, after they hit you with that retroactive change, what's the difference between buy bid and buy market? So see, there's a spread, there's a bid, and then there's an ask. If you buy on the bid, they'll place your buy at the bid, and you may or may not get filled. If you hit market, it just goes, hits the ask, and you get filled at whatever price. Though I guess it's almost every Apex channel out there. The system is totally rigged. Yeah, I don't know. I just know that at the end of the day, you just got to keep trading and making money, and that's it. You know, that's all you can do. Just keep making money. Oh, dude, my phone is fucking always. My phone. I need to get like a better phone charger or something. My phone is always at like 3%. I'm at 5% right now. Woo! I think they're gonna pump this thing. Yo, what earnings are today, anyways? Earnings calendar. At 344. All right, earnings. Capital One reports after hours. Tractor Supply. I'm just looking. Deck Outdoor reports today. Dude, where is the deck chart, anyways? I'm just curious. I'm just thinking. So Textron, Southwest reports. Dude, there's a lot of people reporting today. But those are all the big ones. American Airlines. Yeah, that's about it. That's all you got to worry about. Down 560 and counting. Hope they're bad earnings so the market dumps. I guess if you're trading Apex, you have till 5 o'clock. Oh, you know. Ah, we're over the hourly orb, I think. Let me see where we are. Yeah, I mean, we're over the hourly orb. I wouldn't be surprised if they take this. I wonder if they take it to 400. I don't. Yours closes at 445. Do you have Rhythmic or are you trading Tradeovate? Is that a Rhythmic account? I wonder if the Rhythmic is different because Tradeovate lets me go until I can go and yeah, I want to say 449. It's so weird. Well, here's the push. Are they going to push it freaking? What up, Nism? Push it. Are we not going to push now? Let's go. You're making me look silly in front of everybody. Let's push this thing. Come on. Fuck. They're not going to break this out. This thing just has it written on it. I won't respect myself in the morning. What up, Steve? I just feel like it's going to freaking go. Like, you're up $800. Nism, I don't know what that means, man. You're done trading? Why are you done trading, Steve? Jack of all trades. What up? What up? The fuck? Man, my shoulder. Something happened to my freaking shoulder. Push it. Push it. I gotta go let my kids in. Hold on one second. Maybe. Oh, damn. You guys didn't push this up for me? Just for today? Oh, are we gonna get pushed up here or what? What are we doing? What up, Jen? Oh, your shoulders? I got this thing. It's like, it's back here. Dude, this looks fucking primed. If we can get, if we can blast off into space. Boom, bitches. Boom. Oh. Yo, who just grabbed that in the chat? Who just grabbed that? Come on. Who just freaking grabbed that? Dude, that looked like money, money. That was a nice, I think it's, Jen took a short. Where'd you short at? This is risky. This is more risky than. Man, I need to just work this 102 account up. Did I just get shaken out here? Are we not going to hold over 400? If we don't hold over 400, you're going to be in the money, Jen. You'll get a freaking dump if this doesn't hold over 400. I'm getting nervous. This has to be a green candle and has to go over 403. Has to go over 403. Come on. Yo, what up, Corey? Oh, this is going to stop me out and it's going to make me fucking chase. I hate the fact that we're at 400. Yeah, this is looking ugly. Been a rough 2 days? Why? What are you doing, man? I might take this fucking short. If we can't hold up here, to the downside, we would have risk reward is there. I mean, I'm not buying this in a lot of accounts. So I just think risk reward might be there. You know, I think you could stop out. Man, my job got me on my nerves and caused me to blow my account and went degen and bought 4 more My Funded Futures account. Almost blew those too. Ugh. It's hard trading at work, man. It's super hard trading at work. We got to hold below 400. Otherwise, we get back over this kind of invalidates what I think. Yeah. Tell him, man. Yo, I love those memes, Corey, that are like, yo, I just made $3 grand in my prop firm, and your boss asks why you're late. And it's like Kermit the Frog, and he's like, watch your mouth. Oh shit. See, if we weren't at 400, I mean, the script that I use is basically just telling me it's a short. I mean, we're basically in the fair value gap and we sold out of it. So I just wonder. Now, Jen, are you in the room still? I'm curious what made you look for this short. I didn't realize that we were at the pivot point either. What made you take that short, Jen? Yeah, I'm out too. I got out just now. I actually took it, I upped it. I'm loving this script, by the way. I made a whole video about it. It's this one, yeah. Lux algo inversion of value gaps. When it inverts the gaps, that gives you the arrows for visual confirmation. It's freaking nice. Um, so what I don't like about us going much further is one, you got the 34 we're at, and then you got the 15-minute orb and hourly orb basically at 378, which is only 9 points down from here. Isn't, you could definitely get a move down. I just think overall something to watch out for. Ugh. Man, I feel like I gotta crack my back. I gotta roll it out with a roller, I think. So I got some of these freaking accounts. About to slam some of them. Just get them freaking done with. All right, so I am gonna leg into. See if we hold. This is not a funded account. Only down 100 points now. Come on, pop it. Just a little bit. There we go. There we go. I mean, I got an awful fill, but this is pretty much the orb. If we can get over this, I think it can run. Damn, 65 bucks. What firm, Jen? What firm are you going to be over at? Apex, I'm guessing, just because most people use Apex. Come on, push it over this freaking 9, man. Oh, if we can get over this, it wouldn't. There we go. Come on. I moved my stop up because it's either going to go now or it's going to reject and freaking dump. I feel like it's going to reject. I'm out. I'm out. What up, Trey Win? I have multiple funded different places, but this one's Bull Knox. I like Bull Knox, man. Not enough people like Bull Knox. I don't know. I kind of like Bull Knox. I feel like Bull Knox is one of those solid firms you never hear anything about. You don't hear bad things. It just kind of flies under the radar. Just flies under the radar. Let's see how the room is doing today. Oh, man. We up? We down? How's everybody doing today? Cole, how is your path of going full-time trader? Dude, well, first of all, I trade all day. Oh, geez. Am I going to fucking miss this thing? Oh, you know what? F it, because I'm going to get algoed around. Dude, so I actually, the only time I traded full-time in my life where it was only trading was probably back in like 08, 09 to 2011-ish, 2012-ish, somewhere around there. I traded for about 3 years full-time. I do not trade full-time now. I own a business outside of this. So I can't say I trade full-time as my only source of income, but I do trade options that I make a lot of money on, and then I trade prop firms. But if you're going to do this full-time, man, you got to have a lot of money, and you got to have a lot of money in things that are not prop firms. You need to have money in stocks, writing options, collecting premium, like lower risk things that will net you money rather than focusing just on prop firms. What kind of businesses? I own one online business and one like manufacturing business. Look at MSTR. How, dude, all it is buying Bitcoin. They just keep buying Bitcoin. Boring old Bullnox. Bullnox is, I don't even know who owns Bullnox. I just know that the customer service is amazing there. It can never be my top prop firm because all they offer is Rhythmic accounts. You know, a lot of people can't use them. Man, every day there's one freaking account that just gives me problems. And today it's this account, no matter what I do. Also, I feel like as the day goes on, I make less money. I make way more money early on. Oh, here's the algo candle. I mean, I think the Tesla earnings popped it. I think LRCX had earnings. You know, I think there's certain things that pushed it. It's going to be interesting with what happens over the next it's going to be interesting what happens over the next couple weeks with earnings. Dude, I remember MSTR was at $300 for a while. If you liked Bitcoin, you could have just bought. I mean, that's all. That's what it is. It's highly leveraged Bitcoin. I don't know how they make money. They might put the Bitcoin where you can like put it in something to like help with transactions. So they would make money off of that. But it's really just a Bitcoin leveraged ETF at this point. Yeah, if you like Bitcoin, that's where you should put your money, I guess. Damn, my phone's back at 2%. Too many group chats. Oh, baby. I hate trading the last. Actually going to switch it to if they're going to make a run, they got to make it now. I wouldn't trade any. Who knows how much Bitcoin is worth? I mean, tell me one thing you need Bitcoin for that you can't do with regular dollars. You know, that's what I would say. If we break under here, this thing's going to just dump. Probably got to ride to 68 if it goes under here. No books, no value, no. Yeah, it's just a piece of code, I guess. I mean, I don't really know much about it. Well, this account's gonna get. No one knows. I mean, it's just worth what anybody's willing to pay. It's just like anything. It's a supply and demand thing. Oh fuck, man. Well, this account smoked. This is why I hate the last 10 minutes of the market. There's too many algos. Look at it. It's just algos all over the place. Holy shit. This is prime example. Look at that. Out of nowhere, we just ran 15 points and then they literally just dropped it. I mean, look at that. Still can't believe PA donated 5K to NB. I don't know what that is. Ace, yeah, they have. I never looked at MSTR's financials. I never looked at anything of theirs. Oh, why did he do that? Did you? So I saw a chart. Nvidia is worth like 12% of US GDP, and Cisco at its peak was like 5.5% of the US GDP, and that was during the dot-com boom. And it's basically saying that it's way overvalued, that it needs to basically come down. But you got to remember, when Nvidia comes down, the market's going to come down with it. Like that doesn't come down and everything else just stays up. When that comes down, it's gonna bring the market down with it. You know, like you're not gonna get that coming down and everything else going up probably. Oh, I need this thing to dump. Come on, push it down, man. Just do it. I know you want to. I should take my money right here. I'm up. Oh, come on. You're not going to give it to me? Should I sell? Uh-oh, Jen, $11? That's when I start going to like micros. Oh, they completely just fucked me. They want me to sell. Come on, just give. Dump it for daddy right here. Just fucking let it go, man. That's crazy. I mean, I'll look into it. I'll definitely look into it. I mean, the chips obviously work because everybody's using them. You know, it's not like the chips are bad. Everybody's using the chips. Oh, fucking unload this to the downside, man. Whew. Keep it going. All right. Who stayed in that trade through the thick and thin? Man, I really thought I was going to make more money. Oh, shit. Hold on 1 second. Here we go.
700 billion and $1,300,000,000,000,000.
Dude, they just brought that right the frig back up. That's crazy. Yeah, but the buying and selling of chips via their own startups and financial accounting fraud is where it's at. Dude, I thought we had some good trades today.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
I'm telling you, I make so much more money in the morning. It's so sickening. You know what the difference is? Look at the chart. This is like chop. You know, what's gross is we were in like here. Literally, I bought like here. I just feel like the morning was more like, I don't know. I thought it was more. My Wi-Fi is just ridiculous. Can't even enjoy a Coves live. Why? What's wrong? Jack of all trades. Wow, breaking trend line now. I think you might be. Yeah, it's just super rangy today. You're having issues also with what? The Wi-Fi? Are you guys roommates? Let me see. You guys aren't roommates? Dude, I wanted to so bad have a roommate that traded when I was trading full time when I was younger. Just somebody that just freaking, we just traded all day long. At one point, I was trading stocks and options during the day, and then I was trading crypto at night. Diddy. Diddy. All right, let me hook this up.
Oh, hey, everybody know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
Yeah, that's what's up.
His mom turned off his Wi-Fi. All right, let me get Duck Race set up here.
Mm-hmm. 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 Come on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Dude, I was thinking about streaming live a duck race that was like 3 hours long on a Sunday or something like that. Just to freaking joke, just as a mess around thing. Oh man. What's the longest you've traded? Like how many hours in a day? I don't know, maybe 7 in the morning to like midnight. So what is that? 20, not 20 hours. Or is it 17 hours straight? You know, I usually stop for lunch. Like I'll go make myself lunch or something. All right, you ready? Who's ready? We live. Let's go. I'm wondering if I'm on here. Am I on here? Where am I? Pump me up. Pump it. What up, Sandy? Where am I? Design knob is Rudolph. Oh, look, we got Superman. Dude, I never know where my guy is, though. Ridiculous. Oh, there I am. There I am. Oh, dude, I got that funky ass hat on. Like I'm an 80s, I don't even know. Like a Madonna hat. Jeez. What am I doing? Dude, I want to be like the dinosaur. Come on. Get me in front. Oh, dude, there's Spider-Man. Spider-Man one's cool. I haven't Spider-Man 1 yet, though. Come on. Dude, where am I? I fell off the screen. I'm gone. I'm gone. Too far in front. Santa won't wait. Kid Paul. I don't even see myself. There's too many people. The Trump duck has never won. I think that's on purpose. They don't let Trump win. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Who's pushing? Where am I? Dude, this is going to be the first time Spider-Man wins. Yo, you got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Hold on. I'm here. Yo, hold on. We're switching accounts. Boom.
The system is totally rigged.
Dude, it's kind of weird how there's 80 ducks, there's 37 people watching, and the winner is always here. I'm not saying you, moneymaker, but there's 37 people, and usually there's like 80 something people that are racing, and every single time the winner is here. Not once has the winner not been here, but there's only 37 people watching, and there's 80 something people in the thing. Guys, it's me. I'm here. You got to send me an email. I'm thinking, yeah, you know what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it up for 3 minutes, and that's it. 3 minutes next time. You have 3 minutes to, dude, I got out at the bottom. Holy shnikes. That was such a good exit. Dude, you're going to have 3 minutes to sign up, and then that's it. That's how we're going to go about this going forward. It's going to be 3 minutes. You sign up, and then that's it. Dude, I got something we're going to do tomorrow. This is going to be wild. Oh my God, this is going to be crazy. If I can do it and it works, I am going to, I don't know how I'm going to do it though. I'm just trying to do it in my head. It's going to be mass fucking chaos in the room. If you guys want mass chaos in the room, I'll do it. Dude, this is pumping. Yeah, well, it will only be for whoever's in the room at that moment. So you'll have 0 time to switch accounts, and you can't switch accounts because you're going to have to type in the chat, which means you can't, it doesn't make sense for you to change to another account. Bro, that'd be awesome, but no. What we could do is like a number guess game where you got to like guess a number between, I don't know, call it like 1 and 100. And the first person to type it wins. So it doesn't matter if you have multiple accounts because you can only type in as fast as you could type in. That's, you know, I'm just trying to think of ways that avoid. Will the 3 min be right before end of day? I mean, this is looking awesome. What's up, Janie? Will the 3 minute be before end of day? Usually, I tell you the truth, I like doing it. I don't know. We'll just, I have no idea. I let the room choose. I let the room choose everything. You know what I'm saying, Corey? Like, I'm just going to say, hey, man, choose a number between 1 and 100, and I'll write it. I'll have it written behind the screen, and then I'll just hit the tab, and the number will be there, and it was the first person to type it. And that's it. So changing accounts doesn't help you out. One account is the way. Oh, look, it just flipped the fair value gap right there. Some people might lag further behind because of internet speed. Yeah. I mean, the duck race is random, Trader Fan. It is random. But the problem is there's so many extra people submitting their info. So you got to do a way that, oh, I think I know. Definitely by video. Yeah, I got to come up with a way. So here's one way that you guys don't even know exists. So there's actually a thing. I'll just bring it on the screen for you guys. So this is actually people that have been on. The more you're on the stream, I didn't even realize this existed until the other day. So it actually tells you how long you've been on the stream, and they assign points to it. So what I might do is you basically just submit points to win, because that's people that are around. I might use that, because then it's like, hey, if you just pop in, if you just pop in for 2 seconds to submit your name, then you do not have the same amount. And that stops people from signing in multiple accounts. Because let me see if I can do it. Oh, you know what? Watch this. I'm going to go all the way to the back, and you're going to see people that are here for less than an hour, but submit. But I can see people who are here like very little, but they come on just to submit. For argument's sake. All right, ready? Like, this guy got caught with multiple names. You could tell that's a multiple name because he's on for less than an hour, and he's literally submitted multiple times in the past. I haven't seen him around, but so people that come on that submit, that's the end. So people that like come on and submit, that you see I see their name all the time, but they're never on the stream. So like here, this screen name, he's on once in a while to submit his thing and leaves, because I've seen his name pop up quite often. I don't know. That's one way to do it. Ban everyone. It's just a way that you could see now who's on it. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how you do. Here, I'll try to do it right now, actually. You ready? Delete. Custom giveaway. Here you go. Don't submit anything yet. I'm trying to see something. 416. Design knob. Try submit the thing. Put the code in. No, it's Streamlabs. This is right back in the fair value gap. Design knob. Do exclamation point Cove Trader if you're on. Let's see what I want to see what happens. I'm just waiting to see what happens here. What's interesting is I could set it that you have to be a follower of the channel to oh yeah, it took the points. It took the points. Yeah, so design knob, it actually took 10 points. So basically, if you don't have 10 points, you probably can't enter. Hold on one second. Let me does anybody have a second screen name that they don't come on this chat with? By the way, anybody in here have a second screen name that they don't use ever? Let me see if I have. I don't think I do. Israel, you're entered, but do you have a? But you've been on this channel before. Do you have a one? Do you have anybody have one? A second screen name that they've not been on the channel before with? I don't have another one. Sacrifice 10 points. I could add 10 points to you, by the way. Oh, you used to have one? Well, here's one. Let me see. Sandy, try to do exclamation point Cove Trader. You have less than 10 points. I want to see if it were how it works. I guess you're new, so just do exclamation point Cove Trader, and I want to see if it allows you in. Dude. That's the way. Knob, that's the way. That is the way, because Sandy just did it and it didn't allow them in because they have less than 10 points. Because they're new this week. That stops all the double accounts. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, so how it works, I don't know how it works. This is all brand new to me, by the way. I don't know anything about it, but I'll just show you how it works on here. Sandy, it has nothing to do with you. It has to do with people using multiple accounts to try to get a free account. So this is how it works. You earn points, I guess, every 5 minutes, or I guess I could set this to whatever. You earn a point. I could lower this to 2 minutes or whatever to get more points. But payouts are on viewers chat activity. If they do not chat, they will not earn any points. So it's people who are chatting that are earning points, I guess. Payout events. It's your currency that a viewer will earn when they subscribe to your channel. Oh, so if somebody subscribes to the channel, they get points. I don't have members. Yeah, no, it basically gives people who chat points. So if you chat, you earn points, is how it works. And then if you subscribe, actually, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll hit you with 50 points for a subscription, I guess. Actually, these guys are everyone's gonna freaking subscribe with a gazillion freaking things. Well, you want to see your points, users. Let me see if I can go through all these people. See, like I don't really type in the chat, but I've earned 97 points. I barely type in the chat. I wonder. Yeah, like Corey's got 66 points. Ah, that's cool, man. I didn't know you do that. That's freaking awesome. I didn't even know you could check your points. And I could set the duck race to be like 5 points, or, you know, it doesn't have to be 10 points. I just chose 10 just to choose 10. You know, like Sandy just had 5 points and now they have 6 already. It's interesting that you can see names that always. So what's interesting is I'm looking at names that you always see in the duck race, but have not really been around. Like, because I can't see who's on right now. Like, there's 19 people on, but you know, there's just you guys I can see. So if you don't type in the chat, I can't see anything. But I can now see who has been entering the duck race that is barely around and only basically signs in to submit a duck race entry and then leaves. That's interesting. And I guess you can do like, you know, to keep less people like, yeah, I usually type last hour usually. Yeah, no, I know, Jen. I'm not, everyone keeps complaining about the people have, I've caught some guy that had 5 accounts. I caught another guy who had 4 accounts. So basically there are people that just come on to submit for the duck race, and that takes away from you guys that have 1 account. I don't really know how it works. I'm brand new. I found out about this, like, I'm just looking into this right now. So I don't really know. I don't really know how it works. Somehow I've gotten points and I don't type. So I don't really know how I've gotten points. You know, I leave it on the screen so I can see. Yeah, well, that would help getting rid of the extra ducks. Yeah, basically. Because if you just come on, if you sign into an account to just submit your name, you won't have any points. So when you go to submit, it doesn't add you. So basically it's for people that are on the stream and not just randoms. Dude, I'm going fucking. Yeah, that's pretty much what it gets rid of. You know, I know you guys wanted me to do it. So, yeah, this would stop it. Yeah. So basically, like, I can make a duck race worth 5 points and it will eliminate quite a bit of people. And like, you could earn, like, if you're on the chat for whatever, you can earn points. Like, it's not like the people that have less than 5 points are never around. Just never around. You know, and what would happen is if these second accounts that have been around for a little bit, after they submit for like a duck race or 2, it will drain the account because they're not re-upping the points. And then it will definitely flush out extra accounts. Like Sandy, when we started having this conversation, Sandy had 5 points. Now they have 7. Like Sandy has, like, that's how easy it is to get points. So it's not hard to get points. Like, points come really freaking easily. You know, so it's not like, it's not a lot. It's pretty simple. So I think that's what we're going to do going forward. I'm just going to put a cost of 5 on it. Yeah. So some of the second accounts might have like 7 or like 10 points because they've been doing it so much. But after like 1 or 2 submissions, they'll be out of points and then you'll see a lot less ducks. Ace, you will never run into this issue, Ace. There's no way. This is going to weed out all the extra accounts. Well, that's what I'm saying is, and you already have 7 points like that. Like the points come quick. It's super, they come super quick. Oh, man. Oh, now I go to, I'll be honest with you, this is looking like we're going to drop. I just hate trading after hours. After hours is the worst. So if you watch, I don't actually know, Sandy. I got to dig into it, how it works. I got to like really, I'm gonna hit up support and see how it works. It's been running in the background the whole time, so it's not like anything new. It's not anything new, but it's just so funny to see these accounts that when they come on, they say, "Hey, what's up, man?" And they're on for like, you would think that they were around the whole day, and they're around super light. You'd be shocked. Well, you know what you're going to see is put it like this. Like, I'm just looking at the people. Like, if I told you names, like, you would think these guys were around all the time. Like, I'm just looking. You'd be like, "Oh, that guy's on all the time." It's like, no. This is crazy. I never even knew this existed. Dude, some of these names are freaking hysterical. Yo, see you later. I'm jumping off. I gotta go make some food. I got some marinated chicken in the fridge. I got some purple potatoes waiting to be chopped up and roasted. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be in the Discord. Discord's free if you don't know about it. Link is in the description. I'm gonna be posting a lot more in there about what I'm trading and whatnot. So I hope you guys all do well today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.